kanji have the meaning that 10. 10 is mean the number 10 or the 10 or the October that have the meaning just the same like 10. And this kanji have the onyomi reading like ju. Kunyomi reading we have two sounds. To, which means the first sound of the kunyomi is the long sound I see here. To and the short sound to. So every time when you see this kanji, you should know the pronunciation of onyomi and kunyomi reading. The onyomi reading is mean ju, and the kunyomi means to or to, and it has the meaning of 10. Ju is mean 10. Ju mean number 10. Juichi is mean 11 or Jack in playing card. You see that the first kanji is from the kanji of Ju, and the second kanji is from the kanji that 1. So when we write Ju, the kanji of Ju and the kanji of 1, this means 11. Jugatsu is mean October. Ju is mean 10, and the second kanji gatsu is mean from the tsuki is mean the month. So we write the number 10 and the month is mean October. Jubun is mean enough or sufficient or plenty. Judai is mean the teens or teenager. Judai is mean the person that have the age from between 10 to 19. So if your age is in the between 10 to 19, that means you are Judai. Judai is mean the teenager that have the age between 10 and 19. In here, the first kanji we have the kanji of Ju. Ju is mean 10, and the second kanji is from the Dai. Dai is mean era. So this mean had the meaning the era Dai or kawarini. So when we put the Ju and with the kanji Dai, which mean era, which mean 10, and era, which mean in the night, the 10 era. So it had the meaning that in the 10 to 19 years old. Jujiro is mean the crossroad or intersection. Toka is mean the 10th day of the month or 10 days. Toka is mean 10. And in here we have the kanji of Ju and the kanji of Nichi. Nichi is mean day. So when we put the kanji on Ju is mean 10 with the kanji of Nichi is mean day, which mean the 10th day. So this is about the special reading. So you have to remember, we don't say about the Tonichi. We don't say that, we say Toka. So this about the special reading, so you should remember Toka. and they don't say ju niji. They don't say like this. They say toga. Hatsuka. Hatsuka. Hatsuka is mean 20 day of the month. 20 day of the month. This also be the special reading. So you should remember because it's the special pronunciation. In here we have the kanji of 2, ni, and the kanji of 10, and the kanji of nichi mean the day. So we say niju nichi, they don't say like this. In Japanese, niju nichi, they say hatsuka. If you read by the kanji, it means ni, ju, nichi, but not that they say hatsuka is mean 20 day of the month. Hatachi. Hatachi. Hatachi is mean 20 years old. And this is also be the special reading or the special pronunciation. So you have to remember, they don't say nijusai, right? Of course, sometimes they say, but actually when you speak Japanese and you are good at Japanese, you don't say niju nichi, they say hatachi. This is the way of Japanese people say. But some foreigner or the beginner of learning Japanese, maybe you might say nijusai, something like this. But each Japanese people they say hatachi. So the way or the right to say about 20 years old is hatachi. And in here we have the number of 2 and 10, and the last kanji is mean lei. Lei is mean sai, is mean year. So we have niju sai, which means hatachi. That means 20 years old. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. If you have any question, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer your question.